lovers, it's a new year, and with a new year comes new trends. I'm sure we're all super excited to see what 2022 has to offer us in terms of fashion and trends. And so I have scoured the internet reading and researching from articles like Vogue, WGSN, and ELLE to find the recurring trends that I believe will be taking over 2022. I'm your curly hair brown boy, the Prince, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So guys, the first trend that I'll be talking about is puffer jackets. Now, puffer jackets have been an on the rise trend since last year, and they're only getting more popular. They've become a common and trendy piece for layering, and not only for the winter seasons. Now, I've seen them come in all sorts of bright colors and interesting designs, and I'm just loving what brands and independent designers are doing with this piece. Now, my personal favorite puffer jacket is a puffer vest by the brand House of Error with this amazing graphic vest that they made, guys. Now, I'm telling you, I would totally cop it in a heartbeat, guys. In a heartbeat if I wasn't broke. Enough about that. Let's move on. So now moving on to our second trend, we'll be looking at Y2K fashion. Now I'm sure you've all seen this. Y2K fashion has been trending so hard all over social media. And so for those of you who don't know, fashion has a 20-year rule where every 20 years, old trends make a comeback. And so for 2022, we'll be looking at the 2000s, which were originally inspired by the 1960s and 1980s. Right, so trends that you can expect are the low-waist jeans. Now, no, I'm not talking about that trashy Britney Spears kind of low-waist jeans. That's over, it's in the past, we're not doing that anymore, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. No, it's done. Don't do it, guys. This time around, we're gonna do it more tastefully, okay? We're gonna do it in a way that looks good. So I'm talking about low-waist jeans that sit nicely and comfortably on the lower waist. Another Y2K trend inspired by the 60s side of the 2000s is wide and flared pants. So after being in lockdown and wearing sweatpants 24/7,
yes, don't deny it, I know you were.
But we are just not ready to get back into those uncomfortable skinny jeans. So we're going for middle ground. More comfort, just as stylish. And now this trend has been all over the runways of high fashion with brands like Balmain, Balenciaga, and Sacai. Now, moving away from Y2K fashion, our fourth trend is oversized blazers. And this is a trend that comes straight from the high fashion runways with brands such as Paul Smith, Saint Laurent, and Svaka showcasing blazers of all kinds of styles and colors. Now, I think this is such a cool trend and will definitely be incorporating it into my own personal style. Now, our fifth trend is a classic 2000s trend, the mini skirt. I've seen this all over the high fashion runway and even more on social media. So ladies, strut your stuff, show up those legs, and add a mini skirt to your cart. Now, part of this trend is the micro skirt. So Miu Miu showcased a micro skirt for their 21 collection, and it's a no for me, guys. I do not think so. Like, are women even gonna wear this? Ladies, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Would you wear this? Tell me, do you guys like it, and do you think this is a good trend? Cause on my side, I'm not sure about this at all. But look,
I'm just a dude. I don't wear skirts, so like, what do I even know?
so on the topic of mini, this brings me to our 6th trend, super crop tops and bra tops. Now I know this is nothing new, but this trend has been increasing in popularity as the time goes. And we have seen it on celebrities like Dua Lipa, Hailey Bieber, and even Kendall Jenner. So this is definitely a trend for the bold and daring, so bring out your confidence if you're looking to hop on this trend. Our 7th trend is cat suits. Now I definitely think that this trend was brought about highly from celebrity influence like Kim Kardashian, Cardi B, Jennifer Lopez, where from there it went on to the early adapters, social media influencers, and finally the general public. This trend can also be seen on the runways. Slowly, underwear is becoming outerwear with our next trend, the corset top. Now this trend has become huge, especially on social media. Now I've seen a bunch of DIYs of beautiful homemade corset tops. Now I think that this trend is amazing, where we have taken a piece from the 1600s that was originally underwear, brought it back, right? Made it cool, sexy, and modern. I absolutely love it. This is definitely a trend I would love to see more of. Our 9th trend is knitwear, and this is one of those trends that come right out of lockdown. So during lockdown, people are bored out of their minds, not knowing what to do with their lives, and maybe decided to pick up a hobby. And so the crochet community absolutely popped off with their amazing, colorful, and interesting knitwear designs. Now I'm not talking about that jersey your grandma makes for you that you burn the day after Christmas. I'm talking about actually beautiful, well-made knitted vests and sweaters that, well, will make your wallet cry. Now I think that this trend was definitely set by all the independent designers and influencers who were making all these knitted sweaters and vests throughout quarantine that really got this trend to where it is now. Now we're moving on to our accessory trend. So the first accessory trend that we have that has us all looking like the most styled out robbers on the block is balaclavas. Am I right? So now with COVID coming out, we have had to wear masks and face coverings, and so now we have transformed it into, well, balaclavas. I definitely also think that celebrities like Kanye West, Mr. Ye, wearing his mask for his previous album concert has had a huge impact on this trend and, well, the rise of this trend. I think it's pretty cool, and I've seen all sorts of amazing and creative balaclavas coming out on social media. Hey, maybe I'll even make one myself. You know, I'm not one to wear it, but I've seen a lot of people posting photos in it, and so, you know, just for the gram, why not, right? And now we're moving on to our color trend for this year, which is bright colors. So I think that after 2 years of hardship and challenge, everyone is just sick and tired of being sad and depressed. And so as we move on to the year and things are getting, you know, moving into being normal, or as we just simply accept the new normal, where there is now a newfound joy coming back into the world. And as fashion is an expression of oneself, we are now all trying to dress more colorfully, bringing back those summer colors of yellow and citrus orange. And I think that this is great and is actually so beautiful for us to all do, to start bringing back that joy into our lives, dressing colorfully, and this is a simple trend that I believe everyone can join in. Just grab a little color from your cupboard and you know what? Express that joy. So guys, that is the last trend. I really hope that you guys will go ahead, take the trends that I've told you today and incorporate them into your own personal style. Because when it comes to trends and fashion, it's not about following them to the T or trying to fit in, but it's all about taking what you like, making it your own, and just feeling good and confident in what you're wearing. So guys, thank you all for watching my video. If you've enjoyed it so far, then please go ahead and drop this video a like, guys. Just demolish that like button. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, then guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make all sorts of amazing fashion content, DIY, trend videos, tutorials, you name it. So if you're interested, sub to the channel and be part of this family. I'll see you all in the next video. Keep living your passions.
Decorate your block with red tape, phone them sliding every day. Bunch of hollows spitting out the Glock. I've been serving fiends all day, out there posted with the gang, nigga. We was taught to get it off the block. It's 100 bands in the safe, now I got expensive taste, Michael Mary J.